ഓം പാർത്ഥായ പ്രതിബോധിതാം ഭഗവതനാരായണേന സ്വയം വ്യാസേന കൃതിതാം പുരാണമുനിനാ മധ്യേ മഹാഭാരതം അദ്വൈതാമൃതവർഷണീം ഭഗവതി അഷ്ടാദശാധ്യായനീം അമ്പത്താമനു സന്തതാമി ഭഗവത്ഗീതേ ഭഗവദ്വേഷിണീം സർവോപനിഷദോ ഗാവോ ദോക്താ ഗോപാലനന്ദന പർത്തോ വത്സഖ സുധീർഭോക്താ ദുക്തം ഗീതാമൃതം മഹത് യം ബ്രഹ്മവർണേന്ദ്രരുദ്രമരുധ സുനന്ദി ദിവ്യഹവേദൈകായന്തി യം സാമഗാഃ ധ്യാനാവസ്ഥിതൽഗതേന മനസാ പശ്യന്തി യം യോഗിനോ യസ്യാന്തന്ന വിദുഃഖ സുരഗണദേവായ തസ്മൈ നമഃ. ഗുരുർബ്രഹ്മ ഗുരുവിഷ്ണു ഗുരുദേവോ മഹേശ്വര ഗുരു സാക്ഷാൽ പരബ്രഹ്മ തസ്മൈ ശ്രീ ഗുരുവേ നമഃ. ഓം സഹനാഭവതു സഹനൈ പുനദ്ദു സഹവീര്യം കരവാഭൈ തേജസിനാമതീതവസ്തു മാ ബുധുഷാവഹൈ. ഓം ശാന്തിഃ ശാന്തിഃ ശാന്തിഃ. I am Pradeep Kumar, mathematics teacher. Today we are going to start first chapter of Bhagavad Gita, that is Arjuna Vishada Yoga. We know in Bhagavad Gita 18 chapters are there. First 6 chapters are known as Karma Yoga. Second 6 chapters are known as Bhakti Yoga. Third 6 chapters are known as Jnana Yoga. We know 4 Vedas are there. Rigveda, Yajurveda, Samaveda, Atharva Veda. Essence of Vedas are known as Upanishads or Vedanta. 108 Upanishads are there. Among these 108 Upanishads, 10 Upanishads are very important. We know Satyameva Jayade. It is from the Mundago Upanishad. Considering these 108 Upanishads as cows, Bhagavan Krishna took milks from these 108 cows and prepared Bhagavad Gita Amritam for us. We know Bhagavad Gita is the essence of Upanishads. According to different peoples, Bhagavad Gita is Karma Yoga according to Bala Gangadhara Tilak. According to Shankaracharya, he explains that Bhagavad Gita is Advaitam. Then Ramanuja said Bhagavad Gita is Vishishtadvaitam. Madhavacharya said Bhagavad Gita is Dvaitam. What is Dvaitam? What is Vishishtadvaitam? What is Advaitam? See, man is a small circle and God is a large circle. If they are different, then we will say it is Dvaita, duality, dual. When man get power after taking meditation, that circle, man's circle will touch with the God's large circle. It is known as Vishishtadvaitam. When man gets more power, that small circle will be inside the large circle. It is known as Advaitam. That means we and God are the same. That is known as the Advaitam. We know in Bhagavad Gita, total verses, slokas are 700 verses are there in 18 chapters. This chapter is the first chapter. In this first chapter, 47 slokas are there. I want to discuss today first sloka, that is Dhritarashtra Uvaja. Dhritarashtra asked. You know, Dhritarashtra is a blind man. Vyasa said to Dhritarashtra, I will give you a Divya Chashus to watch what is going on in the battlefield. You can watch it. But he denied it because Dhritarashtra is blind in mind also. That is the reason. Then Sanjaya, he is the student of Vyasa. Because of that, due to Vyasa's mercy, he got a power. That is, he can watch everything which is going on in the battlefield sitting with the Dhritarashtra. Then Dhritarashtra asked Sanjaya, Dharmakshetre Kurukshetre Samavedayuyulsavaha Mamagaha Pandava Shaiva Kima Kurvada Sanjaya. Dhritarashtra Vaja. Dhritarashtra said, Dharmakshetre means in the place of pilgrimage, sacred place. This place, that is Kurukshetra, which is holy place from the time immemorial time from the Vedic age. That is the sacred place. That sacred place, see, Dharmakshetre, Kurukshetre, Samaveda means assembled. Samaveda Yuyulsavaha. They assembled there, desire to fight. Dharmakshetre, Kurukshetre, Samaveda Yuyulsavaha. Mamagaha Pandava Shaiva Kima Kurvada Sanjaya. Mamagaha, my sons and Pandava's sons, what did they do? See, Dharmakshetre, Kurukshetre, Samaveda Yulsavaha, Mamagaha Pandava Shaiva, Kima Kurvada Sanjaya. Gathered on the holy plains of Kurukshetra, my sons and Pandu's sons, what did they do? He asked to Sanjaya. That means Dharmakshetra means Tirthasthal. That is Hindi mein it is Tirthasthal or Pavitrasthal. ये धर्मक्षेत्रे कुरुक्षेत्रे समवेधा एकत्र समवेदा युल्सवाहा युद्ध करने की इच्छा से. दैट इज इन हिंदी, युद्ध करने की इच्छा से मेरे पुत्र मामगाहा, मेरे पुत्र और पांडु के पुत्रों ने किमा कुर्वद संजया, क्या किया? Dhritarashtra asked to Sanjaya. That is the first sloga in the first chapter, Arjuna Vishada Yoga. See, the first chapter is known as Vishada Yoga. Vishada means sorrow. Actually, Bhagavad Gita is the Moksha Shastra. We will get Mukti, Moksham. When we read Bhagavad Gita, our mind will be filled with full of happiness. We know from this world, we will not get happiness, 1 hour happiness from this world, but from the spiritual knowledge, we will get full happiness. That is full bliss. So Bhagavad Gita, when we say Gita, 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 then we will get Punya. That means Gita, Ganga, Jagayatri, Govindedi, Hridistidi. If we know Gita, Ganga, Gayatri, our Govinda, 4 Gagaras are there in our mind, then we will get Moksha. In Kali Yuga, this is Kali Yuga that we know. In Kali Yuga, see, only way is to study and read the spiritual knowledge. That is the greatest knowledge. That is Bhagavad Gita. So, I want to stop this sloga here. I will continue in next video. Further, all these chapters I will explain. Then God bless all of you. Thank you.